Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can connect your Google account on your iPhone 16 Pro Max or iOS 18 update. What you need to do is just go to the settings here. After going to the settings, you need to scroll down and go to the app option here. After going to the app option, you need to scroll down and find all the mail app which is here. After going into mail app, as you can see that there's a mail account here. You need to tap on it, and then the screen like this will come up. You need to add account, and from here you can select the Google account, and you can set up your Google account into your iPhone, and all the data within your Google Cloud or into your any data stored in your Google account will automatically sync by your iPhone. So that's how you can connect your Google account with your iPhone. Thank you very much.